Hi, good evening. So, papakita namin sa inyo ngayon kung paano namin iluto yung aming family favorite na pagkain. And we call it Hainanese white chicken. Hainanese kasi, alam niyo naman, di ba? Yung kanin niya, ginagamit yung pinagpakuluan. Pero tingnan natin yung proseso. Not necessarily the whole process, but maybe the ingredients and how it looks actually. So, first, you need chicken. Chicken, First, we'd like to thank the sponsor of this place that we're staying at the moment. It has a very good kitchen. Ang laki and spacious. So, we make it a point na dito namin gagawin itong vlog. Okay? So, anyway, first, we have here our fried, it's not fried, it's actually a boiled chicken. Okay? That's why it's called, it's white, no? It's Hainanese white chicken. And you need, what's this? Onion? Dahon ng sibuyas at saka luya. Kailangan mo ng luya, papakuluan mo ito ng matagal. Mahigit na, kung isang piraso yung manok, pwedeng 30 minutes to 45. Pero dalawa yung pinakuluan namin, so umabot ang mahigit isang oras. Okay? Paano to ginagawa, tong pakulo na to? Para lumabas yung manok mo na ganyan kasing sarap ang itsura. Mausok-usok pa. Unang-una, papakuluan mo, pag malakas na yung kulo, hihinaan mo ito hanggang sa parang, alam mo yung plop, plop, plop. Ganun na lang yung bula. Para matagal ito. Hanggang sa maluto ng maayos yung loob ng manok. Sige. So, yung manok, while it might look like the centerpiece of the recipe, it's actually not, no? Siya lang yung, parang kailangan mo may sinasawsaw ka. Ang mga bida talaga ay yung mga sawsawan. So, ano ba yung mga unang sawsawan? Hainanese ng chicken rice. Unang-una, ito, we have here, it looks like a chili. Chili, yan, nagawa na, no? Nagawa na in advance. Pero, what are the ingredients of this chili sauce? So, you need red pimiento, okay? And you just need to mash it. Okay, this red pimiento. And then, it was mashed by one of our sons. Okay, so, kasama yan sa salsa. Pangalawa naman, itong brown sauce. You have a brown sauce wherein, ano ba yung combination nito? You have sesame seed oil na walang tatak. Oyster sauce. Okay? Pinaghahalo mo ito, pero dapat maayos yung timpla mo. Okay, so, what you need is your oyster sauce, tapos, you have your sesame and then sesame seed oil. Then you need to pour it. You pour the sesame seed oil. Ganyan. Kano ba ito karami, Tel?
Sige lang. More.
Medyo marami, no? Para sumarap talaga nasa hinahalo mo. Okay na, sapat na yan. So, yan. It's the brown sauce. Kung familiar kayo sa Hainanese chicken rice, meron kong ginagamit na brown sauce. Okay, so it's just oyster sauce and sesame seed oil.
A little water.
And a little water. You combine them. And then, the favorite sausawan. Okay, yun na sa sausawan, ano? Pero the masterpiece is this, it's a combination of, ulit, no? Dahon ng luya, dahon ng onion, sibuyas, at saka ginger, no? Tatadtarin mo ng tadtad na tidtad, yung parang gigil ng gigil ka, no? Pero siyempre, dapat yung gigil na masaya. Palagi may joy sa pagluluto para masarap talaga, no? Diba? Labor of love that. And then, what you do is to, pakulo, o magpainit ng cooking oil na talagang kulong-kulo at init na mainit at ibubuhos mo dito sa combination of dahon ng sibuyas at ginger. Ito gagawin natin. Nandito na yung langis oil, no? Cooking oil, ang init, mainit. At ibubuhos natin, no? At unti-unting maluluto. Ayan, kita nyo, no? Tumunog. Dramatic. Iyon na, iyan ang magic. No? So, itong cooking oil na to would actually cook the dahon ng sibuyas and ginger. Then you need to stir it slowly with love. Okay? Focused, meditative stirring. Yan. Para humalo. Oh my God, ang bago. Oh, lalagyan mo ng konting asin. Nandito ang aking assistant, si Telma, na asawa ko. Ay, magpakita. Ba't gano'n na? Natakot sila magpakita sa camera. Pero ito siya. Naging siya na naman. Ito ay hindi siya. Ito ay pagkain. Salsa. So, nandito. Kita nyo? Yan. At sinasawsaw ito sa manok. Yung kailangan pa ba tayo ipakita? So, kompleto na, no? Kompleto na yung mga salsa na magpapasarap o ang centerpiece talaga ng Hainanese white chicken. So, ulit. Ito yung manok. Okay? Ito yung manok. Okay? Ito yung mga gulay na props. Wala namang carrots dyan. At dito yung mga salsa. Ulit, pimiento, red pimiento. Okay? There. Patong natin dito. You have the brown sauce na mahirap galawin. Dahil sa tumapod. And, of course, the combination of dahon ng sibuyas and ginger. I hope you got the different sausawan combination, and we're so happy to share it with you, and we'll be having our feast in a short while. Thank you very much and see you again.